Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your display name on the Xcelpay application. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to launch and open the Xcelpay wallet application. Make sure to log into your wallet by entering your PIN code. Once signed in, tap on your name located at the top left-hand corner from the main wallet page. There, you will be able to see the list of your wallets associated with Xcelpay. Select the wallet you'd like to change your name on and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will come across a pop-up box. From there, tap on Edit Wallet Name, erase your current name, and enter the new name according to your choice and preference. Once you are done, tap on Update Name, and there you have successfully changed your wallet's name on the Xcelpay application. Pretty simple, isn't it? So, that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.